Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to make a custom border in Microsoft Word, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open Microsoft Word, go to the Home tab, go to the paragraph column and click on this option which reads border, actually on the downward pointing arrow associated with it. Select borders and shading, go to the page border tab, select box or anything else you would want to. Then you can change the art. Let us say I wish to change the art to this one, and then you can change the width to, let's say, 07, and then you can change the color to, let's say, yellow. And once you click on OK, the border will appear. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.